Okay, we're about to replace the air filter in the 2020 Chevy Trail Boss. And so it's got the stock air filter in right now, and we're going to see how it sounds with the stock air filter. And then after we put the K&N High Flow air filter, see if it has a better sound to it. All the other videos I've watched have said that the cold air intake really doesn't add more than about 5 horsepower. So everything I read also just said you can get the same 5 horsepower just from changing a $60 air filter. So we'll probably give that a try. So let's see how it sounds first with the stock air filter. See, it's at about 1,000 RPM. Let's see how it sounds outside. Pretty good rumble, but we'll see if it's better after with the new K&N after this. Okay, you got like 4 bolts to take off to get the air filter. I think maybe 3 bolts. 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. And looks like they're about an 8mm size. So I'm gonna take those off, and then we'll show you the filter. There's the K&N High Flow air filter. So we'll take these off and see what it looks like. Okay, so you have to get those bolts out. See, they're all out. And then you have to undo this plug so that you can lift the box out. You can see there's the original filter, and we're going to change it out with this new high flow filter. Okay, now you can see we got the new K&N high flow filter in. There's the original. You can see there's a lot of restrictive material on that original filter compared to this. We'll see how it sounds. Okay, we gotten everything buttoned back up, and the air filter is in place. So let's see if it sounds any different. Let's crank it up. Actually does have a little deeper tone to it. I'm surprised. It definitely sounds a little bit better. So we'll see how that goes for a while, and maybe after that I'll put a new exhaust on it. But for right now, I think it definitely sounds better.